Monsoon means flat looking, boring hair with no volume. This is mainly because in the rainy season, hair keeps absorbing moisture from the atmosphere, which makes it appear very damp and dull and flat. So, in this video, let's look at 5 top hacks to keep your hair super voluminous and super bouncy. And by the way, these hacks are loved by celebrities and film stars. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Tip number one is reverse conditioning. This is a secret hack which most runway models try before their special shows for super voluminous hair.
So, what exactly is reverse conditioning and why is it getting popular? In reverse conditioning, you have to apply the conditioner or a hair mask first. Yes, instead of the shampoo, a deep nourishing conditioner is applied thoroughly on damp hair first, and the shampoo follows later. So, what it does? Conditioner provides optimum nourishment to the hair and tame the frizz. Then a mild shampoo is used to wash off excess grease and conditioner residue. This surprisingly works in monsoons because the hair feels nourished and bouncy, and the grease from the conditioner doesn't weigh the hair down. Models and actors use this hack to rule out flat looking greasy hair. Hack number 2 again is a very popular one among celebrity hairstylists, and it is using a volumizing product before brushing or blow drying the hair. So all you have to do is spray a good volumizing product only at the roots. Don't spray too much, just sparingly, and then let it dry for about a minute or so. I know you are curious about the spray that I'm using here. It is the Tony & Guy 3D volumizing spray, loved by professional hairstylists. So once we have sprayed this on the roots thoroughly, then go about blow drying or hot combing as you always do. The volumizing product make the roots non-greasy and hence add an illusion of fuller and thicker looking hair. I use this Philips hot comb all the time to make my hair look more put together and camera ready. Moisture, sebum and product residue remain trapped in the hair cuticles if not cleaned properly, and rainy season makes it even worse because the atmosphere remains charged with water vapors. All of it not only weighs the hair down making it look flat, but the impurities and buildup cause hair problems such as dandruff and itchy scalp. So go for a scalp and root deep cleaning once in 10 days. A clarifying shampoo is different and more effective than regular shampoos. It deeply cleanses the scalp of all the product residue, chlorine that you might have got deposited in your hair while you have been to swimming, and of course it does away with the grease. Consider a clarifying shampoo as an exfoliator or a scrub for your hair which cleanses deeply and does away with dead cells. Use it once in 10 to 15 days for bouncy hair free of oil and product residue. If you are in a hurry and do not have any fancy products available with you, then do try this super simple hack which works for flat and thin hair, and it adds a very nice texture and bounce. So on those rainy dull days when nothing seems to work for your hair, just spray a generous amount of hair fixing spray on a regular comb or a hairbrush maybe, and then start combing away from the roots in the opposite direction. This creates a subtle back combed sort of an effect which results in hair looking fluffier. I love this shine spray by Oasis, and it adds a very soft volume and a subtle shine. Guys, the last hack to make your hair instantly voluminous and fluffy is to use a dry shampoo. Dry shampoo has become extremely popular these days, with just every brand coming up with their own variation. Now, dry shampoo is used to freshen up and fluff up greasy, oily hair that have not been washed for a few days. It instantly absorbs dirt and grease from the scalp and make the hair appear fresh and full of volume, just as it was on the day that you shampooed. So dry shampoo is used as an instant voluminizer before important occasions when you do not have time to wash the hair. And dry shampoos usually these days come in different forms: powders, sprays, etc. But most formulas leave a white cast behind, just as a sunscreen do. Loving this volumizing dry shampoo by Animally. It does not leave a white chalky residue on the roots and fluff up the hair by sucking all the oils
These
and
were some,
grease.
so guys, these are some of my favorite tips to keep your hair voluminous and bouncy, be it monsoon or be it any other season. Do try these tips out. Let me know how did they work for you. I would love to hear from you. And this is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.